Hello friends, you are doing a job and you are not through with the job and you have to continue at home. In this video, we are going to be looking at how we can copy our project from one computer to another computer for finishing. This is Twisted Creative. Alaribe Emmanuel is my name. If it is your first time on this channel, please do me a favor. Do me a favor by hitting that subscribe button. Not just hitting that subscribe button, also ring that notification bell so that you don't miss any of the next video. Without wasting much time, let's get into it. This is Premiere Pro and this is my project. So as you can see, I'm almost done with this project, but maybe I want to go home and continue at home. Or let me say my system is faulty and it's not able to process the job. So I have to copy and transfer to another system to continue this job. If you want to do that, make sure the particular sequence is highlighted. Then you go to File, then down to Project Manager. So in here you will see lots and lots of bunch of projects that is listed up here. If you take a look at this spot, you notice that the sequence name is C7030. So if you check around this list, you will notice that we have that C7030. Based on the fact that the sequence is selected, you have it checked here. So if you check the rest ones, none of them is checked unless that particular one. But if you want to add some other one, you can equally add some other ones. But as long as this is selected, that is what Premiere Pro is going to copy for you. So if you go down here, we'll notice we have resulting projects. We have two options here: collect files and copy to new location. Then the second one is consolidate and transcode. We are going to select the first one because we are taking it to another system. You are going to check for the location where you are sending this to. We have to click on browse to search for the folder we are going to be taking this to. You can create a folder, right click and new, then folder. You give the folder a name. Trans1, we select. There are other options here, which is exclude unused clip. If there are a bunch of clips and you use selected clips, this means that it's going to select those clips that are used and it's not going to copy the rest of the clip. You can check this. Then there's the other one is include audio confined files is checked also. We can check this also, include preview files. Then you can rename files to match clip name. I think those options are okay like this. You have to check your disk space and see how much disk space you are having left and how much disk space is going to consume. The original project size is going to be unknown until you click this calculate. It's going to calculate it and show you the amount of file. You know the size of the device you are going to use in transferring these files. Okay, let's hit on calculate now. The calculation is done. We have the disk space available, 13.35 gig. The original project file is going to be 37.64 gig. The resulting file is going to be 36 or thereabouts. If you calculate these two figures now, you notice that this 37 gig is not going to fit into this 14 point stuff that is remaining on my hard drive. So I have to go and clear my hard drive before I continue this. It's going to tell you that this operation requires the project to be saved. Do you want to continue? Then you click yes to continue. So I have to be on break until Premiere Pro finishes its work. So I'll be back soon. As you can see, Premiere Pro is done copying the files. So let's go and see what Premiere Pro has copied. So this is the folder Trans1. Let's open it and see what Premiere Pro has copied. That is the original name of the file. Double click and open. Look at what is here. Everything that was used in the project is here. Let's close Premiere Pro. Premiere is closed. Let's just assume that this is another system. We can just go to this name. You see the name, that is the name of the file. That is the name of all the files, the name of the project. Then we can double click to launch. Boom, as you can see, the project is open. Let's just check and see if everything is right. So it just copied everything. Okay, let's play back and see. Can't you see? It's amazing. It's amazing. It's okay. That is it. I believe from now you'll be able to transfer your project from one computer to another and continue your work. If you find it interesting, helpful or useful, let me just say, if there's anything you like about this video, please make sure you hit that like button because it's going to help us in YouTube algorithm and it's going to help us produce more. If there's anything you notice about this video, drop a comment below. Like I said earlier, if you are new on this channel, please do me a favor. Do me a favor by hitting that subscribe button. Not just hitting that subscribe button, also ring that notification bell so that you don't miss any of the next video. Thanks for watching today's video. Creative Poe, keep on creating. Please stay creative. Continue creating. See you in the next video. Bye for now.